Infinity Ahzee, a sign of dignity, taking action to develop the students.
Hello guys, welcome to Infinity Ahzee channel. Today we are going to start our spoken English class. I think the learner will be able to speak in English if they maintain their classes every day regularly. So this time we have arranged how to speak English fluently. Our aim is to develop our student to speak in English. You know, English is an important language, very important language. It is considered as an important language in this world today. Here is Mr. Prothom, and this time Mr. Prothom will try to speak about his neighbor.
Hello guys, good evening, this is Pratham. Now I am telling about my neighbors. Actually the word neighbor means a person who lives in a house near another. My neighbors very good. We have friendly relationship with all our neighbors. We help and cooperate each other in our needs. Sometimes we share our joys and sorrows each other. When we are in danger, our neighbors come to our help, and I think all of us should try to be good neighbors in all possible ways, and that's all. Bye.
Please take it easy, and I think in future they will be able to speak in English. Hope to see you next time. Good time.